Staging your home is an important step in the home selling process, as it can help your property stand out to potential buyers and make a strong first impression. Hello, my name is Travis Harris with Home Smart International. Here are some tips for staging your home to sell fast here in Houston. Declutter. Remove any unnecessary items and clutter from your home. This can help make your space appear larger and more open. Deep clean. Make sure your home is sparkling clean, including carpets, floors, windows, and bathrooms. Depersonalize. Remove personal items such as family photos or personal decor that may distract potential buyers from envisioning themselves in the space. Neutralize. Consider repainting the walls and removing any bold or bright colors. Neutral colors can help make your home feel more inviting and spacious. Enhance curb appeal. Make sure the exterior of your home looks well maintained and inviting. Consider adding some potted plants or flowers to the front porch or entryway. Highlight key features. Showcase the unique features of your home, such as a fireplace or an outdoor living space, by highlighting them with appropriate furnishings and decor. Arrange furniture. Make sure furniture is arranged to make the most of your space and highlight its functionality. Use appropriate lighting. Make sure your home is well lit with appropriate lighting in each room. Consider adding floor lamps or table lamps to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. By following these tips, you can help make your home more attractive to potential buyers and increase the chances of a successful sale in Houston. It's also good to work with an experienced real estate agent like myself who can help guide you through the home selling process and offer additional staging tips specific to your property. If you would like more information or you're ready to put your home on the market for sale, contact me today at 713-295-1799. I look forward to hearing and talking with you soon.